Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a rose flower from a ribbon. You can actually use this as appliques on baby dresses. So I'm going to show you how to make something like this using the materials that you can see here. Mainly your gum, your interfacing, your ribbon of any size. I have a 1 inch and a 1.5 inch ribbon here. We're going to need a thread, and then if you want to make it really, dazzling and shiny, you can add rhinestones to it. So these are basically all you need, and of course your scissors. I'll be using the 1.5 inch ribbon for this tutorial. If you use a 1 inch ribbon, your rose will come out smaller. If you use a 1.5 inch ribbon, it will come out bigger. So the bigger the size of the ribbon, the bigger the rose flower you will get. Okay, so this is what I'll be using for this tutorial, and I've gone ahead to mark a 35-inch mark on this ribbon from the beginning here. I want to see how much we're going to need for just one ribbon. Okay, so that's why I mark this. If we use less than this, I'll know how much I used. If we use more than, I'll try and mark that point to know how much I used. Now what you want to do first is to roll your ribbon. So I want you to follow my hand movements. Okay, so you can go on to roll it about 10 times. So guys, after rolling this part 10 times, I'll go on to fold the tip of the rolled part just a little bit. So please, you guys should watch what I am doing, okay? So I bend the tip backwards just a little bit, and then I'm going to roll this part 5 times. Okay? So after rolling, this is what I have. So this will form the middle of the flower. The next thing I'm going to do is to hold the ribbon like this. Okay, so I'm going to hold the ribbon like this, and then I fold. After folding, I will use my finger, this finger, to hold the bottom of the ribbon. Okay, immediately after folding, and then I'm going to roll it once. So did you see that? So this is what I'm going to continue repeating: folding, holding, and rolling. Folding, holding, and rolling. So can you see that? Folding, holding the bottom, rolling. Folding, holding the bottom, rolling. So I'm just going to continue like that. I'm okay with this size of the flower that we are making. So I didn't get up to the 35-inch mark that I have here. So I'm going to cut around somewhere here and fold the rest that I have. So I marked 35 before, and this is 4.5 inches. So it means we used about 31.5 inches to make this flower that we are making, okay? So I'll just go on to fold the rest. So guys, so once I get to the end after folding, I just grab this part together with this long part that we have here. So I just grab it. What I'm going to do is to tie this part with a thread. So I'm going to grab my thread now. Just tie the bottom like this. You need to tie it so that your flower doesn't come undone. Okay, so I'm just going to tie it like this, and then I'll knot it twice. So after knotting, what I'm going to do is to cut the bottom. So this is what I'm going to do. Apply some glue all around on each layer. Actually, I'll just apply some glue there. So the innermost layer are pretty tight, so I don't think I'm going to bother with those places. So I just apply the glue like so. So I'm going to leave this for the glue to get tacky a little bit. And then we're going to be cutting out the base of the flower. So I'm going to grab my bottle cover. So grab any bottle cover that you have because it is round. And then what I'm going to do is to trace around the bottle cover to get our round shape. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is to cut this out. After cutting, I will apply some glue as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is to grab this now, and then I place it on top of the base. So I just place it like that, and then I press it down. So I'm going to leave this to dry out a little bit because the body is still, a little wet. So I'll leave it like this for a bit to dry. So after the glue has dried out a bit, I'll go on to bedazzle the body of the flower using my rhinestone applicator. So guys, here is the result of our bedazzled flower applique. So this is what we have. So now you can attach it to whatever dress you want to attach it to by means of glue or by means of stitching. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell so you get updates when I post new videos, and I'll be seeing you in my next tutorial. Bye.